We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey everyone, it is time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭，
我是 Joseph Lin。Joseph
Lin， 你知不知道这个桐花季快要到了？
你这样讲，我突然想到一首歌，你知不知道？你知不知道？有一个张学友的歌，然后等到花儿也谢了那样子。你要问我说桐花季怎么样？
桐花季要到啦，可是你大概看到係桐花。
自从我2年前去过之后，我现在每一年都想要去看桐花，有桐花。
我讲哦，今年冇汹涌哦。
今年不一样。这桐花不只可以欣赏之外，它还可以做出很多的商品。哦，是吗？
超啊！
已经把这个油桐花的东西带到商品里面去了，是不是？Alice is telling me, because I'm a tung flower lover now, because it's so beautiful. It's like snow. And now the Hakka culture is promoting the tung flower not just by gazing at these flowers, but bringing it into our everyday lives, into products.
比方说
like 比種講
桐花燭台。
桐花燭台，唔知係什麼回？桐花的什麼燭台？
燭台。
燭台。Okay. So you can find candle stands that are made out of or made in shapes of 桐花，tung flower. Okay.
還有桐花嘅茶壺。
桐花嘅茶壺，聽冇？
肥皂。
啊，真的嗎？肥皂soap. Okay, the tung flower soap. Soap 怎麼講？茶壺。What else?
還有桐花卡。
桐花卡是不是？就卡什麼卡？幹嘛？
留一些留言啊，桐花卡片之類的桐花卡。
Okay, just cards. Okay, the 桐花 cards. You can find these products and
還有桐花樹機。
桐花樹機，手機。Okay, so the tung flower cell phone is also out there available to you. So there's a lot of creative ideas how they bring the tung flower into products of our everyday lives. To review some of those vocabularies, a candle stand.
桐花燭台。
tung flower soap.
桐花茶壺。
tung flower card.
桐花卡。
And finally, a tung flower cell phone.
桐花樹機。
So there you have it, tung flower everywhere. And that does it for a Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.